nighttime. I did nighttime chores a little early because I knew rain was coming. Well, the rain came. I just walked outside to check on everyone because it calmed down, and lo and behold, we got something going on. I'll show you. Okay, from that road and those fields, they have a runoff. This is the ditch. Well, it's running pretty good. Really needs to be cleaned out. It's run so good that, yep, we have a water flow going through the pasture. And I never knew this until we moved here and we had that one rain event. Here's a video. That video I'll post up here somewhere or something. But yeah, this is crazy. And this is because the area goes down, but I don't know. It's essentially a seasonal creek or high water creek or creek. If you're from Ohio, we're close enough to Ohio, it could be a creek. But yeah, it's flowing pretty good. I really don't like this. Let me flip it. But yeah, here it is. I'm walking through, probably 2 inches of water. Yeah, it's flowing pretty good here. So that means that the water is ripping through the back. Because when I walked outside, sorry, my finger. When I walked outside, I could hear something. And I'm like, what's going on? I could hear tons of water. Well, this is the reason why. All right, hold on. All right, here I come. I'm coming to the back of the property. It's picking up speed. You can see where everything's kind of pushed. I don't feel like walking through the forest too much. But it kind of comes in here. Which I'm kind of upset because I just Johnny Apple seeded a bunch of field peas. Yeah, I gotta go the other way around. Hold on. Well, that's really kind of a no-go. It's just too much of a swamp and it's getting pretty dark out, so I'm not gonna get it back in there. But yeah, I'll be here kind of at the back of the pasture. I'll show you. So there it is. It's all running off. It's all running down. It goes through a ditch that's supposedly over there, but it gets to a point and it overflows. I'm seeing a excavator rental in the near future. Hopefully in the next year or two, because if we keep having these rainstorms, this is going to keep happening. This is hard on the pasture. I mean, I just planted some field peas on it, and yeah, Johnny Apple seeded it, but you know, it's not the best. All right. That was just a quick video from the one I'm posting. You know, this one will be a lot shorter, but I started out this one with rain. It got sunny for a little bit, then went away. Then we've been under some storm warnings. We're under a tornado watch until 10 o'clock, but I moved out of Illinois. I shouldn't be having this in Pennsylvania. That's how I feel. But I think I'm just more upset for this pasture. It's not going to hurt it. It's right on the edge. Yeah, it puts it underwater, but this pasture is pretty much done for the year. But I did throw some field peas down because there's a section here in the back that we were going to try to go and get one more time. We were only on it once this year. So I was going to try to get them back there one more time. But hey, they don't care. They're over there. Snowman's looking at me. You can't see it in the video. Maybe. He's over there looking at me. Bandit's looking at me now. But yeah. Everyone, stay safe. Like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't figured it out, I'm kind of a weather nut on certain things. So I'll see you around next storm or maybe another video. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.